Hello, I'm Shikha Yadav. You're watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with the latest updates. Governor Anusuya Uike has appointed Dr. Ram Shankar Kuril as the first Vice Chancellor of the Mahatma Gandhi University of Horticulture and Forestry, Patandurg, Chhattisgarh. Dr. Kuril has also been the Vice Chancellor in charge of Birsa Agricultural University, Ranchi, Jharkhand. He is a well-known agricultural scientist of the country. US-based Dairy.com to invest in Mr. Milkman, a unified cloud-based platform for end-to-end distribution management and subscription commerce in India. Ryan Matriz, Chief Solution Officer of Dairy.com, said nearly 50 to 60% of all the milk supplied in the US is tracked through Dairy.com's system. We have entered India impressed with Mr. Milkman's, and we need to tweak the technology we plan to bring India with the needs here. Kisan Divas will be organized by Krishi Jagran in association with the Department of Agriculture, Government of Uttar Pradesh on 23rd December 2021 at Farmer Training Center, Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh. The event is providing a common platform to bring all the stakeholders consisting of farmers, government officials and industry leaders under a single umbrella to meet and discuss at different levels for all-around growth of agriculture. Better Life Farming has announced that the Better Life Farming Alliance will be partnering with Jivika to build 500 agri-support centers to unlock smallholders' farming potential in the Bihar state of eastern India. Better Life Farming and Jivika will jointly open agri-entrepreneur service centers to support 2,500 villages and over 2.5 lakh farmers across the state. Reliance BB Mobility Limited, operating under the brand name GOBP, and the Mahindra Group have announced a non-binding MOU for exploring creation of EV products and services, alongside identifying synergies in low-carbon and conventional fuels. The partnership aims at accelerating EV adoption in India with high-performance and swappable batteries that will help in dispelling range anxiety. Bayer, Bushell and Amazon Web Services have developed Project Carbon View, a first-of-its-kind technology solution that will have farmers in the US drive more sustainable supply chains and mitigate the impact agriculture has on the environment by aggregating the carbon footprint of end products. Jake Joranstead, co-founder and CEO of Bushell, said through our relationship with Bayer and support of AWS, we can empower and incentivize sustainable behavior across the agricultural value chain and build a scalable digital solution that can be deployed anywhere. 15th PDFA International Dairy and Agri Expo will be organized by Progressive Dairy Farmers Association from 11 to 13 December 2021 at Cattle Fair Ground, Jagraon, Punjab. This expo is organized every year to motivate the farmers to keep good quality animals and to bring the scientists, companies and farmers to a single platform. The media partner of this event will be Krishi Jagran. Indian government has released standard operating procedure for use of drones for the purpose of spraying pesticides on agriculture crops. The Agriculture Ministry said application of pesticides using drone has great potential as we move towards commercialization and achieving precision in agricultural crops. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.